So tonight, I'm just going to have some blizzards. I'm freaking excited. I was a little worried I wouldn't do this. I thought of it last night. I was like, man, tomorrow night's going to come and I'm just going to be too hungry. I'm like, I want food. But nope, worked out well. First things first though, got an empty large cup. Oops, don't hit the unit button. Tear that out. And make sure we're at least close to where we're supposed to be with the ice cream. Snickers, 5.11. One of these is supposed to be $4.93 and one's supposed to be $5.20. I'm blanking. I got a mini cup, but it's not saying how many grams that's supposed to be on my MyFitnessPal, and I don't feel like going and looking it up. 481. All right, cool. So that's like perfect. So we'll just eat the mini. All right, here we go. I've never eaten this many blizzards before at once. All right, so this one is the, probably get the name wrong, turtle pecan something or other blizzard. Never had it before. It's not bad. A lot of pecans. All right. This bad boy is the Snickers. Oh yeah. Mix it with a little Butterfinger. Wow, that's so good. Oh my God. Oh, blizzards are so fantastic. Got some Jurassic World Edition blizzard right now. I was gonna get it. It's like peanut butter cookie and peanut butter and chocolate and blah blah stuff and cookie dough. But dude, the calories on that are ridiculous. These are like 1,000 calories for these larges. It's like 1,500 something for the Jurassic World one. So, nah, I'm good. You really need to try this if you haven't had it. I wonder how many blizzards I could eat before I just got just severely over it. Oh, maybe 2 in a mini. We'll see. I don't have a ton left though. No more of that. Oh man. A lot of chocolate in that last bite. Big piece of Butterfinger. I really wish they would bring back Butterfinger BBs. I know they've got Butterfinger bites. It's not the same thing. I want my Butterfinger BBs. Trying to decide what I'm going to do tomorrow. Obviously, I'm not going to tell you, but I promise you it's not going to be ice cream. Not that I wouldn't want to. I'm not trying to go ultra low on protein 2 days in a row. These aren't melting as fast as I thought they would, so that's good. Dang! Bro. Holy crap. That is nuts. That is a piece of Butterfinger. I've never had one that... Oh my God. Butterfinger gold mine down here. That's a couple all clumped together. Let's save these. I guess I'll leave that. I'm getting down there. About the same for both of them. It's depressing. Jurassic World looks pretty good though, doesn't it? Hardly ever get to see movies in the theater, but I'll see it eventually. I'm a big Chris Pratt fan. Guardians of the Galaxy? Get out of here. Best comic book movie ever. I don't care what you say. Chris Pratt. Chris Pratt is one of the funniest dudes. Parks and Rec? You can't even think about it. Oh my god. If you haven't seen Parks and Rec, you need to fix your life and you need to go watch it. Such a 180 from yesterday. Couldn't wait to be done with that stupid Taco Bell. It'll be so sad when I'm done with these blizzards. Getting close. Oh, teeny brain freeze. Look at that big old piece of Snickers. So that. That one's all gone. There's a weight cup. And finish off with a big chunk of Butterfinger. As soon as I get this Snickers out of my teeth. That is so good. You need to go get a Blizzard. Dairy Queen loves you. And you need to support them. They show their love by making delicious Blizzards. So you should probably show your love by buying them. I'm just saying. So that's it. 3 Blizzards. That's all I got for you. Day 3. Done. Regular food of some kind. Oh my god, we don't choke to death right now. Hold on. These things are awesome, by the way. Hydro Flask. This one's all banged up because I keep dropping it. But they're pretty sturdy. Kind of wobbles now. It's good. Keep stuff cold or hot. I'll see you tomorrow.